In front of me is Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tap menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then look for location shortcut, and if you don't have it, select Edit at the bottom. Then scroll and tap on plus icon available at the top right corner of Location Services. Swipe up, hold Location shortcut and place it wherever you want to. Let go, tap on this checkmark at the top right corner and finally click on it to manage it. So when I do, I can see this pop up. To disable location, select Close, and then to check it out, go back into Tap menu. As you can see, my shortcut is gray, which means that location is off. To switch it on, tap on the same one until it's white. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll to click on Location section available here, and tap on this switcher next to Use Location to turn it off or switch it on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!